buckle up, because if you love bacon and you love pizza, then my new bacon fried pizza hack may just blow your mind. Well, hey all, welcome. Now let me tell you how it happened. The other morning, I was cooking bacon and eggs on my brand new amazing gas-fired griddle when my grandson walked up to me and asked me if I could heat up a slice of leftover pizza. Well, without thinking about it, I tossed it on the grill right in the bacon grease. And after about a minute, I put it on a plate, let it cool down. He tasted it and absolutely loved it. Now, that's when I discovered a new way to reheat leftover pizza and infuse the bacon smoky flavor into it. Now, let me show you how to do it in a pan. Now, if your leftover pizza is frozen, toss it in the microwave for about a minute. And while it's thawing, get your pan ready. Grab your bacon grease container and add a generous amount to the pan. Now, once the bacon grease hits 350 degrees Fahrenheit, gently place the pizza slice in the pan. And after about a minute, check the bottom. If it's brown to your liking, go ahead and take it out. Place it on a paper towel lined plate to soak up the bacon grease. It needs to cool down anyway, and that's it. It's that easy. Now you've got a slice of leftover pizza with a delicious smoky bacon flavor. Thanks for watching.